English, very small. Only 10. With wrong spelling in one word over there, the 10 ones, you know?
She's already speak English in 3 words.
Yes.
3 words only.
Because they school in, major in AB only.
AB.
Not up to ABC. No.
AB only.
AB only. That is why. Yeah, that is why for them, very hard English, very mountain, you know? Very mountain. And they cannot go over there in the pit because it's very mountain.
Very.
Yeah, they're not like us. We're genius.
We are gifted child. Your brother and sister.
Yes, we're gifted, you know. We're in the Gen Tech.
And they are special children.
Yes, special children.
Special child, autistic.
Autistic now.
Autistic is specialized in no speaking.
No speaking. They always sign language.
Yes. Like this one and this one. Yan.
This one.
Just like that.
Autistic is like, example. Arlene says, Mama.
You do not understand. I told you, autistic is special child. No speaking on it.
Only.
You cannot understand.
You cannot understand how the autistic means.
Yes.
Like this. That's the autistic doing. She's always laughing at her hands. You see what you see?
You cannot see his face very big. No space at all.
No space in
No
the
space. Very small the
camera.
camera. Big brother is very big.
In the Star Cinema, whole body will come up to me. You can see my whole body in the Star Cinema.
Yes.
But in the computer,
Very small.
very small camera.
Only one big ab.
Big ab. Oh, look at my abs.
Lagyan niya ng mata.
Only I speak English.
You speak English so that I can understand you.
Yes.
No matter what.
Eyes on the abs.
Mama Ni, your husband is here.
My fine husband is here.
Yes.
Oh, good
You speak to your bayaw.
Sister-in-law.
Speak your
Brother-in-law.
Huh?
Yeah, he's already here.
Is already here.
From the casino.
From the casino of Pagcor over there at Mendoza family. Oh, you did not speak anymore. You're mute.
You're silence. You're like a sound of silence. You know the song of Sound of Silence? Who sung that? Who sing that? Who sing? Huh? No. Who's the singer? Who's the singer of that song?
Tambalot.
Yep, Simon. What kind of song you are singing there? Oh, yep.
Yes. Because she can understand Korean.
Hmm.
She study it well over there at the television, you know? Yes.
Speechless na sana. Speechless.
Your English is very small.
Very
Very
poor.
poor.
It's like a crooked road. Pas-pasan, di ba? Ha?
Oh.
Na culture shock.
You're shocked, ah? You're shocked.
Huh?
Oh.
Culture shock.
Spirit, open mouth. Hindi ang magnuna. Oh, what happened to you? You speak.
You speak. You speak.
Speak.
Why speak? Why speak? Why speak? No, speak. You sing. He will listen.
No Korean song. Oh, you speak Korean to Wendy.
Oh.
She understand. You know, she study it in the telenovela in our television.
Television, Voice of a Flower. You know that movie? Huh?
Yes.
Voice of a Flower.
Oh, you speak Korean. Wendy will talk to you.
Here in Korea, Voice over Flower is F4.
Oh, yes.
You know that already.
But you speak Korean for Wendy. Wendy will talk to you. She cannot mountain the English. She can easily speak Korean. Yeah.
Because
Windy.
Wendy, sitting down over here.
Sitting down.
Balit to.
wala ko kasama.
Ha?
let's talk now. Let's talk.
Oh, over here, sitting down over here near the camera.
And this is also a Korean model.
Yes, here.
You know this? This is a Korean model. Oh, you sit down there.
Down there.
Because we're not speaking English, you speak Korean to your two nieces.
Excuse me. Because I'm already man.
Oily.
Isa na to, isa na.
It's already oily. Because he's already oily. You know, it's very perspiration. Oh, you speak Korean.
I don't know.
Ay, sandali lang. Nay, asa na mo ang digital cam?
Mama ne, asa mo digital cam? Nasa mo, walay battery. Walay battery.
Tukan kay pwede man tumayo mong video.
Bitaw. Ano din mo ang cellphone wa kay saling?
Ay, hanap man.
Kay kurog man og kamot. Kurog ng kamot.
Mana?
Speechless.
Maninawa.
Oh, istorya tayo.
Kamsamnida.
Tuduan na lang, minay. Tuduan mi. Oh, tuduan na minay.
Kamsamnida.
Kailangan ko maista na Koreana. Ini ka Tuesday.
Oh, isa.
Si Ma'am Kang. Just call her Cecilia. Not following instruction. 0.
Hanggang natin.